Are you tired of manually creating the same bill every month? Learn how to automate it in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a recurring bill in Zoho Books, step by step. Let's dive in. Start by opening Zoho Books. Then go ahead and click on Purchases. Now, from the Purchases menu, select Recurring Bills. Click on Create Recurring Bill to begin. Next, click on Select a Vendor and choose a vendor. For example, let's pick Bobby AI. Type in a profile name for this recurring bill. Then click on Week and select a repeat frequency. For instance, choose Month. Click on Start On and pick a start date. For example, click on 19. Now click on Ends On and pick an end date. Let's click on 20 for that. Click on Never Expires. Next, click on Due on Receipt and choose Payment Terms. For example, select Due End of the Month. Click on Item Details and select or type an item. For example, click on AI Marketing Campaign. Then, type in an adjustment if needed. Finally, add any notes you want to include. Click on Save to create the recurring bill. Review the recurring bill record to confirm everything looks good. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.